Welcome to the channel. I got some things we talk about that we've been receiving and trying to play catch up on some of it. And good morning to all. It's good morning too here in down in Texas. It's going to be hot today, probably about 100 degrees. I think it's 78, 79 right now. I'm trying to finish up on the headers on the engine and get that video out tonight around 8 p.m. Central Time. Okay, but I've been receiving some shirts and I want to recognize them. One of them is the stuff with Cleatus, cousin Cleatus, and the LSB that was built. This is all the channel that was involved with it. Check them out. Everybody here was involved with the build. They did it in 1 week. Go check out and see what they did with the Volvo, putting that LS in it. Okay. Cleatus, he sent me another one, the first one, but it was changed up. So this is the current one and the good one. Get hold of Cleatus. Maybe I'll send you one. Another one is the Alaska Raceway. They follow me and sent me a t-shirt. One of the members did. This guy that sent this old Ricky, I think he followed me on all of my platforms. I'm on like 3 or 4 of them, and I got some that follow me every step, everything I do. Over on the Facebook build page, of course, there's more about the engine there than it is on YouTube. You'll see more stuff. The links will be below, but they follow me and appreciate them following me. I like the shirt. It's too good right here. Check them out. Big Mike's Hoopty. Big Mike's Hoopty barn. So what it was, we had a little contest going on who can name this car going to the Nonamenationals, the one he's building. Well, down here where I'm from, we always say, well, it's a hoopty doopty over there, well, you know, and so I told him, being Big Mike's Hoopty barn, name this car Hoopty Doopty. So I guess it got like tied for 3rd or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. I think it was. And I want to thank Mike for the shirt. I like it. Big Mike Hoopty barn. Go check him out. Links will be below on that one. And I have to recognize Hailiee Ayers for making my t-shirts. She does a real good job with them. And I've been sending shirts out to people that are following me on all my platforms. You don't have to say anything in the comments. You don't have to comment. You can like if you want to. You don't have to say anything. Take a flash picture of this video if you want to. Take a flash picture off each platform you follow. Go to the link below on the build page. Send me a message with them pictures and your address. I might send you a t-shirt on out there to you, okay? But anyway, I wanted to catch up and recognize these shirts here and what I've been getting. We're going to get back on this thing here. And tonight, I'm going to mention somebody on the video that just so happened I was working on this and he came up and put his video out. And it's nothing that I'm doing what he said do. My video started before he put his video out. Of course, the engine's built, so I'm not changing anything. But it's funny how us from back in the 80s and 90s when we built these, not necessarily a supercharged engine, just a small block Chevy itself or any other engine, we're still using those same ideas and from testing and doing what we did back then, still applying those today and making things work. But I'll mention him and I'll put his link tonight down in the description, and go watch him and you'll understand why everything is like it is. It's funny how I was going through last night and seen that. I'm like, oh heck, he's talking about it too. Huh, crazy. But anyway, watch tonight at 8 p.m. Central. That's when this video will come out, and hope to see you then. Thanks for watching.